Welcome back, my fellow citizens, and today we are playing Sons of the Forest because I play a lot of The Forest. We're gonna start a new game on normal. Guys, look, I'm in a helicopter. That's the cool part. How long am I gonna be here for? Like, I see smoke over there. And I see a seatbelt, a helicopter seat in front of me. It's that orange thing right there. I have so many questions, but so little answers. This is all I can look at. Oh wait, no. Fisheye. He doesn't look like a fish or an eye. Oh, Edward, Barbara Puffton, and Virginia. I won't, but what if I did? Fight demons? What if I didn't want to? Oh shoot, we're being shot at. That's not good, that's not good at all. Oh, we're going down. We're going down. We are going down. Watch out. Oh. This is crazy. Oh my. Whoa. Where am I? Why am I? How do I get down? I'm stuck. Hello? Anybody? Oh, never mind. This is oddly strange. Why would you do that? Why would you actually do that? Okay. Why would you get out of the helicopter? You stupid. This would be the most extreme pull-up ever. Okay. Well, what an interesting way to start off a Monday morning. And then you wake up with this guy. Me. I invited myself. And there's no denying it. Oh, shoot. That's even worse than being shot. Getting hurt? Okay. Looks like we have started the actual game. Let's collect this stuff. There's a deer just walking around. Dude, the graphics in this game are insane. I'll be making a series on this. Who is this guy? Why is he this guy? Look at him. Who are you? Is this Fisheye? This is Kelvin. We're snapping. His ears look a little damaged. What is that? Oh. This is odd. Guys, I'm opening up my pack. Look, I did it. What is that? GPS tracker, a lighter, and a guidebook, which I don't think I need because we're doing this all by ourselves. This is gonna be camp. We're doing it by the water because there's fish and my hunger can go down and I want to eat some fish. I made Kelvin to bring logs to me. Look at that. Kelvin is so nice. I'm trying to build. Like, it's actually insane. I'm having, like, no patience. This guy is so slow. Look at him go. I want him to drop this stuff right here, so that's exactly what I'm gonna ask him to do. Kelvin is ruining nature. He just cut down a tree, and I just witnessed it. The game is getting really, really laggy. Sir, let's see what happens with the drop here. Let's see if he'll drop it there. I bet you guys will be amused. Look at that. He did it. Exactly what I said. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe and comment down how you would like this series. Like, in the comments, let me know if this series is amazing or if it's just like a no-go. I got the frame on Basecamp. The frame is made as Calvin is still bringing me logs. So building is like a whole different thing. It is so weird. And it's like there's red lines for to like cut the log. Can make spikes. That's kind of cool. Alright guys, base has been made. Oh wait, no. No, it has not. I need a log. I truly need a log. That's not a log. That is a short log. Look at that, guys. I just made a fire. It's so tiny. What does this do? Oh. Look. I'm cooking some meat. It sounds delicious. It's literally searing. Let's eat it. I don't know if that was ready. I think it is. Delicious. No, my stomach is not full. Let me equip my axe. I need to build a bed. I just realized that. I think right here would be a perfect place for a bed. Guys, Virginia is here. I'm gonna walk away because I will scare her, so you don't want to do that. That was loud. I can't see anything, so let's equip the lighter. I think that's a better thing to do. I don't want you. I need one more stick. Let me go around this extremely strange traveler. I don't know why they're here. Look at that. I built a bed. I'm gonna save my game. Now I'm sleeping. Alright guys, I decided I'm gonna build a second story because that would be amazing. I mean, look at this. Wouldn't this be the coolest thing ever? You go up here and just live the best life of your life. Or yeah, that's what they say. Right? Looks like it's getting dark. That's not very good. Oh, Calvin is cutting down trees because I told him to. I mean, look at him go. He's doing yoga for some reason. Like, what is Bo doing? Honestly. Alright, I got the upstairs frame. So this is it. Now I just gotta build a wall for every wall. Look at this raccoon. I got it. I'm gonna catch some fish because, as you can see, because apparently I'm hungry, and I don't know why. It's time to kill a fish. It's time to search. I am searching. There's turtles, but we're not here for the turtles. We're here for the fish. We want the fish meat. I see you. Oh, you're mine. You better get back here. Look at that. Why is there a bunny in the water? Alright, looks like my fish hunger thingamajig is full. So I'm gonna have to build a fire. It's time for the fire. I'm cooking a lot of meat. And if you couldn't tell, I am indeed really hungry. I might have just cooked too much. cooked food really gives you hunger. Or, not hunger, it gives you a lot of... Oh, wait, no, this might have been perfect. That was indeed really perfect. But I am really thirsty. And... Get back here! Get back here! Get back here! Stupid raccoons. I don't have any water, and I don't know how to make the water safe, because every time I drink it, I get poisoned. Alright guys, I finally have done it. What are you doing here? I have put a bunch of spikes. What are you doing, Kelvin? And looks like another deer. No, that's not deer. It must have been Kelvin. I just set up a bunch of spikes. I'm gonna have to reset those all around my base. So if cannibals try to attack, I just run in here and they'll probably die. But that is it for tonight. Alright. So like and subscribe for more content like this. I will be making more. I'll be making this a series.